I'm Mike AKARD, founder and president of AKARD Commutator of Tennessee, ACT. In 1993, I launched ACT with the intention of establishing and maintaining the global benchmark standards for quality and superior service with all types and all sizes of commutators and slip rings. That's ACT. And ACT is the one steering multiple market improvements over the past 30 years and beyond, raising the bar globally, always at competitive prices, and leading the industry through innovation as well as value-added options unavailable anywhere else. Over the years, I've been extremely blessed in assembling a tremendously experienced staff with unmatched expertise along the way, becoming the largest manufacturer in the world of all types and all sizes of commutators and slip rings. ACT is the only one delivering around the clock, scheduling normal production every hour of every day of the year since our inception in 1993. It's been a real game changer when you know the difference.
I'm Tim Roberts, and I'm responsible for making certain that hundreds of shipments get where they need to be each month in a timely manner at the best possible price. And I can tell you with 100% certainty, there is no company more committed to its customers than ACT. This is ACT's 30th anniversary of leading the industry with superior service that no other vendor offers. ACT is not merely talking the talk with ads about expedited service, but consistently walking the walk by delivering actually OEM-compliant commutators and slip rings throughout every weekend, while 100% of the others are closed.
I'm Pierce Baker, and I'm proud that ACT takes great pride in offering customers have-it-your-way opportunities. I've personally been involved in working with thousands of complete new redesign projects. ACT even provides the option for active undercutting, pre-undercutting service, typically at no additional charge. That's why ACT proudly gives each customer the opportunity to specify exactly what they want with each project, and ACT fully documents compliance. In fact, if it doesn't include ACT's red, white, and blue seal certifying compliance, you don't want it.
I'm Cameron Nipper. My grandparents started ACT a decade before I was born, and I've grown up participating in ESA shows at our booth. I'm currently in college as well as working part-time at ACT, learning everything I can about my future role as CEO of AKARD Commutator of Tennessee. Because I want to make certain that ACT remains the right choice for commutators and slip rings for decades to come.
We hope you'll stop by booth 1011 to discuss our 30-year anniversary and proving it, and enjoy some proof pudding while learning more about how working with AKARD Commutator of Tennessee can help not only your bottom line, but also improve the reliability and longevity of the work you send out your door when you know the difference.